Hello everyone, welcome to the Formalo Dashboard tutorial, where we are unlocking the secrets to building a course app and crafting a personalized learning portal for your users. From creating a blank app to adding quizzes and personalized result pages. Now choose blank app to start fresh. On the left menu, add menus and pages that suit your app. You can also rename them for clarity. For a structured approach, you can create different menus for each course. This helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. Alternatively, within a single menu, you can create different pages for each course. Add content to start. From here, you can easily add text, links, and more. Customize the size and color to match your style. To add login and sign up functionality, enable portal mode. It's your gateway to a personalized user experience. Within portal mode, you can create a user table. This table becomes the backbone for managing user data. Assign this user table to your forms later, seamlessly connecting user input with your app's database. Now let's create forms and quizzes for your app. Add a user field to these forms. This way, users can view their submitted data on their portal after login. To make it seamless, assign the user field to the app users table from the left menu. Take the forms you have created and insert them into your app. Here we created a quiz for each lesson in our example. It's that easy to enhance engagement. Navigate to pages and menus and add a result page to your app. This is where users will see their submitted data and quiz results. Let's fine-tune your data view. In each result table, add the user field to your filters. This way, your data becomes more organized and user-specific. Manage access for different pages. Set access for content and result pages to refine user interactions. Now it's time to test your app. Log in, submit one of the forms, and see your submitted data instantly reflected on the result page. Your app is now ready to share. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Explore the possibilities and remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, we are just a click away. Until the next time, happy formaling!